What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back and we're still at the Ontario Mills Mall. There's so many secret shops. Let's go look around. All right, starting with this Footlocker. We're gonna check out all the retail shops and maybe a couple of outlets. I don't know. Let's go. Let's look around. Starting off in the Reebok section, the Panini Prism. Yeah, Panini Prism ones right there. Got more questions. I'm a huge fan of the questions, especially when they're on sale. Got some answers right here. Eagles colorway. Eagles looking good. Almost as good as the Niners. Got this Prism colorway as well. I think that's one of the basketball cards, right? Basketball card set. Alright, these are going for regular retail $140. Those are the lows, so they're a little bit cheaper. I got the Shack Attack right here. Man, on sale. That is fire. Also got these ugly looking things. Some Insta Pumps. I don't know which one they are. Summer's starting to wind down. Technically summer's over, but it's still hot as hell here. Seeing if they have any slides or anything like that on sale. Nope. Nope. None of the good ones at least. MB3s, these ain't bad. Really, like, this ain't bad, man. I'm telling you. I really do think these look so much better than all these. The ones, the twos right there, I think these look a lot better. They're doing a good job of like switching it up a little bit, like evolving the shoe but not changing it like too much. Man, these look dope though. These look dope. What these go for? 130, 125. Not bad. I don't have any of the MB1s or MB2s though. Kind of wish, maybe kind of wondering if I should have gotten a Rick and Morty. I did grab one of those. Grabbed it for one of the homies though. Gave it to him for retail. Who is this for? Who is this for? Is this one of, I think this is one of Mello's, right? Because it does have that 1 of 1 right there, and I know that's a Mello thing. And look, and kind of like the same colorway, right? I think this is for that full. Okay, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. That little gold thing is a little much. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't wear it with that. But yeah, buck 30. It says La France. So it does say La France right here. La France. La France. But I think this is a Mello. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Diamond Supply Company one right here. Pretty cool with the little powder blue. Kind of dope. Oh. Diamond colorway, right? Not really powder blue. And got a white version right there. You could see a little diamond shape on the tongue right there. 125 for those. The T-Mac 3s starting to go down in price. Man, I need to see this low. If this is under 50 bucks, I'll grab one of these. I did grab the black one with the suede on the back, purple suede on the back, which is fire. This one's dope too. I really want to grab this one, but I don't want to pay that much though because I'm cheap. And to be honest, lately I've been broke. But it is what it is. Look at this, cheaper than the outlets. Man, this is cheaper than the outlets. That is crazy. That's crazy. $80 for these Ultra Boost as well. Holy cow. Not a bad colorway. And then got the Trae Youngs on sale. Got them on sale. Almost as cheap as some of the discount stores. And I have been looking for Crocs on sale. Dang nabbit. Did I see any? No, man. None on sale. What the hell, dude? What the hell, man? It was on sale for like 3 minutes. And then that's it. Alright, let's go check out some more spots. Got a Champs. Let's go see what's up with this Champs. Our 50% off sale. Most of the stuff right there. They have a tiny bit of stuff right here for 70% off. Mostly the CSG stuff though. Champ sports gear. Nothing too crazy. Some jorts right here if you need some jorts. Some jean shorts. But yeah, kind of whatever. See, this stuff used to be 70% off. Now they marked it down to 50% off. They be doing that, be going up and down with the prices. It's messed up. But right now, if you're just patient, you know, people aren't really buying stuff like that right now. So just be patient. I don't really understand what these, like the baseball jersey, I don't really understand it though, because it's not really, it's just a Nike one. I don't understand it. I've seen it at several places, $85 for these. Got multiple colorways right there. And got hoodies and stuff like that, but 50% off. It's okay, but nothing crazy. And then when I stopped by that Montebello Mall that one time, like, damn, dude, they had Crocs for like 30 bucks, and then I just missed it. I missed it. I was in a hurry. I tried to get those dunks, and dang it. They got the Spider-Man ones for $40. These are the newer, updated ones. I think these retail for $70. So I guess it's a slight discount. I got the OG Reese's ones here for the really young kiddos. They got stuff like this on sale. My kids aren't gonna want this stuff. Come on now, man. I got this colorway on sale for $40. I feel like it was cheaper, dude. I missed that little window. Curry 10s on sale. Okay, $50 off, normally $1.60. This actually looks pretty nice, dude. I'm not gonna lie. And got the Splash 3s. I think these are the budget models. Got a few of these. These are down to, or these are regularly $100. So pretty dope that they have a nicer budget model, because that one at the outlets, man, that one looked really cheap. These don't look too bad. Probably can do some outdoor hoops with this one more than his signature model. Oh, not bad. When the hell did this come out? Jordan 13 for the kiddos. It's a grade school size. Don't even get the hologram. Man, I've never seen that, by the way. Starting to see the next gens, as well as the LeBron 20s, deeply discounted because the 21s are in full effect now. But yeah, that's a hell of a price on those. 50% off. So that's what, $50 off of those. Okay. Price all of those aren't on sale. We've seen them on sale at some places. I don't know. Maybe the sales are going up and down. I don't know. Man, I thought I'd find more stuff on sale, but no, not really. Maybe during the weekday. I don't know. All right, let's walk around some more. Y'all ever mess with the Rainforest Cafe? Their food's pretty good. Their food's actually pretty good. And then they have like a bunch of animals and stuff like that, or a bunch of fake animals and stuff like that in the jungle, and it starts raining in the jungle and stuff. It's kind of cool. They also have toys and stuff as well for kiddos. What's up with the shoe palace? Let's find out. Let's go. These normally $60. We're seeing some on sale for $40 now, so that is pretty cool. Because these ain't bad. Just make sure you might want to go down a size or half a size. Try them on, because these don't fit. Like I get a size 11 for every slide. Size 11 is huge on me. Dang, I still need to give my size 11s away. Dang it. Got rivalries right here. These are some mediocre ones. $60 though, pretty solid price. But yeah, I do got a few of them on sale. And then got Trae Young 2s going for discount store prices, man. $60 freaking dollars, or $50. My bad, $50 freaking dollars. Yeah, these rivalries like significantly better material. It even looks a lot better. Look at this, dude. $120 for these. Like, these ain't bad. These right here ain't bad either. Like, I'm a fan of these. Like, I don't know. Like, oh, it's rivalry 86. That's why it's kind of like the Forum 84s. Like, just better material. Worth $10 or whatever they charge extra for those. And they still got these Shoe Palace ones right here. The Forum. Man, these are pretty much Forum 84s. Like, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the sale, but I like the materials on these so much better. And they're releasing so many colors of the Gazelles. Use really, really nice materials on them. Whether it's suede, whether it's nubuck, just super, super nice. Price is going up. It is $130 now though, but that's pretty much every shoe. Inflation, it's just crazy. That's just kind of how inflation works though. Yeah, so many different colors. This is one of the older ones because it's only $100. Man, those went up a lot. 100 to 130. Holy cow. Can grab one of these older ones, pretty much a discount. Dang, dude. Man, this just came out like early inflation. $100 up to 130. Dang, dude. Inflation's been crazy during the freaking pandemic, man. Dang it. Just giving free money away. That's not the answer, man. That's leads to inflation, fools. Dude, look at this. Fitted hats. So many different emblems on it. Pretty freaking dope. Only $20. Look at this. $20. They got a few different sizes. 7 1/4, 7 1/8. 7 5/8 right there, but none my size. Do you got this? What is this? What is this? Is this the Rams? The LA Rams? Guess so. $20 for that one. These are that's That's a fitted, and then got a bull snapback for going for 20 right here. Not bad, not bad. And it looks like this is on sale. There's no way this is normally $30. It looks like it's a fanny pack, a spray ground backpack, fanny pack going for $30. Spray ground is usually hella expensive, so $30, that's not bad if fanny packs are your thing. I just can't get into fanny packs, I'm sorry. Well, unless I have a sponsor. If I had a sponsor, I'd sport the hell out of fanny pack. $1.40 for these bad boys right here. I swear we've seen these on sale. Where have we seen them on sale? I remember going somewhere and they had a bunch of different colorways on sale. $100 for these, $100 for these. Latest colorway right here, $180, like a mocha and a latte colorway right here or something. I don't know, but yeah, $1.80 for those. All right, still got more shops. Let's go. Some of the pro images have been hella interesting. Let's look around. Let's go. Yeah, what's going on here? $10 for everything here. Got Rams merch right here. These like hoodie dresses for women. These are all $10, really? Seems hella good deal. I don't know what the hell. It says 75. It's down to 25, and then it's what, $10 now? Got Fanatics Raider shirts. Smart 20. Number one dad. Kind of cheesy. I know, you know, moms and kids get stuff, but yeah, it's kind of cheesy. Got Majestic shirts for women right here. Kansas City. Looks like it's all $10, dude. Got brand 47 shirts right here. Normally $42 down to $10. Ram shirt, large. Ooh, this one actually has some embroidery on it or stitching on it. That's not bad. Adult small right here. Dang it, I would have gotten this for a kiddo, but I already sent everything out. Oh, never mind. That says number one dad on it. No, never mind. All that more of that cheesy stuff. Oh, this is a Raiders dress right here. Okay. These jerseys? Oh, I was like, there's no way these jerseys are $10. These are authentics, man. They need to put this back up there. Jets PJs right here. Yeah, down to $10. Is this Cowboys PJs? Oh, Dolphins PJs. My bad. Dolphins PJs down to $10. More of those. $10 right here. It says $20 hats and beanies. Yeah, man. You know, I gotta see if they got more Lakers. This is where I did. Well, I didn't get one here, but this type of situation where I got my Lakers beanie. This is all stuff from last year. It looks like Houston Texans. These are new eras beanies, and then look, it even is lined, so it's like super nice. Pittsburgh one right here. Got a Rams one right here. Got Buccaneers, Rams. Dang, I was hoping there was some Lakers, but it looks like it's all football stuff right here. Got Bucks, Rams. I might have to grab one of these Pittsburgh ones for one of the homies. Damn, I said I was gonna stop getting stuff for people, but dang it, I almost said shit. But I said I was gonna stop getting stuff for people, but some of these deals are just too good. $10 for these beanies? How much are these beanies normally? It says 20, but I know that's the sale price. Normally $34. $34. Alright, I'll grab this for one of the homies. Dang, I wish they had a Niner one. But Niner stuff don't sit. That's not how it works. Yeah, this is from 2022. That's it. Got a Pats one right here as well. One of my workers. There's a Pat one, so I might grab one of these. I'm actually, hold up. Yeah, I might have to grab a couple of Steelers ones. Yeah, one of the kids I'm sending shoes to, and then maybe this for my worker, I guess. So I glossed over the $10 hats. How dumb am I? Do you got fitted hats right here? Look, Cleveland fitted hats. These are all going for $10. SC leather hats right here. These are leather fitted hats. That's kind of crazy. I've never seen that before. That's new era. Steelers salute to service. These are like kind of like flex fit hats. Dang, got a nice little selection going for $10 each. Cardinals right there. Got that dub over the Cowboys, just like the Niners did. But I keep bringing that up. Steelers hats, multiple Steelers hats. These are fitted hats too. Seahawks salute to service hat, which is freaking fire. Cowboy salute to service hat. Dallas hat right there. These are size 8. Got a Lakers hat right here. This is a snapback. New snapback, all for $10. Kind of ridiculous. Steelers hat, Lions hat right there. Damn, these are nice. Haven't been hitting up too many of these stores. I need to hit up Pro Standard a little more. I guess I need to hit them up every time I come here too. 758s, $10. Packers hat right here. Golden State hat right here. Fitted hat, 738s. I don't know what the hell that California hat right there is for. Alright, I guess I'll just grab this. Okay. Guess I'll grab this. Let's go. Alright, 10 a piece. Did grab a few. One for one of the homies, one for a kiddo, and one for one of my workers. Alright, let's go. Dang it, I did get a late start, so kind of in a hurry home. I kind of want to check out the Asics outlet, the Puma outlet as well as the Burlington. I missed the Burlington. That's way the F over there. Gosh dang it. The sneaker cleaner guys came at me. I was like, you don't need sneaker cleaners for slides? What the hell? Who does that? Who the hell does that? And I don't know how the hell I said it. He thinks I like barely speak English. So I don't know, whatever. But yeah, let's check out the food court real quick. Try to give you guys a food court review. Got a Cinnabon. Oh my goodness, I freaking love Cinnabon. Got La Vaca Brazilian Grill. Probably not cheap, but you can't really go wrong with that. Panda Express and Chipotle, both of those are staples. Nashville Hot Chicken. Never had this one before. Burn in Mouth. Never had that one. Kelly's Cajun Grill. That just looks like Chinese food. What the hell? Bourbon chicken? That looks like Chinese food. They have chow mein out in the south. I didn't know that. What the hell? Oh yeah, they got ya ka mian noodles. What the hell? That's Chinese food, dude. Looks good. Don't get me wrong, that looks good. Charlie's Philly cheese right here. Got Burger King for those fools that want to be on a budget, because this is an outlet mall. Got hot dog on a stick. Can't go wrong with them. Sarku Japan, Japanese food, teriyaki for $9.29, not bad. And then a Sbarro. That's a legit food court right there. That's not bad at all. Just from the selection, man, you gotta give this at least a 9. At least a 9. They don't get too much better than this. Got a big variety. And then got my favorites. Got Charlie's right here. Got Panda. Got Cinnabon right there. And then the Cajun Grill, that actually looks pretty decent. Under 10 bucks. Under 10 bucks, not bad.